it up? Brian, don't try that again. You're knocking her down. There we go. Yay, our big loggers are going to cut down the perfect Christmas tree.
Well, that's not it. We'll take a break.
Well, this isn't exactly the best view I'm giving them. This is the side with the hole in it that we're going to put towards the wall. Where are you going, Amanda? Amanda! Where are you going? Are you cold, sweetheart? Oh boy, it's windy and cold, isn't it? Adam's getting his muscles strong, cutting this tree down. Now see, here's the best side view. Isn't that a beautiful little tree?